Hi, I'm Cindy Porter and welcome to my channel for the Summer Solstice educational event brought to you by ColourArte's. As all our educational events, you have the opportunity to win a grand prize of a $400 spending spree with ColourArte's, and all the details and instructions on how you can be involved in that will be in the description box below this video. You need to watch all of the premiering videos, all 19 of them, and collect the secret words from each video, which will form a hidden phrase that you can lodge on the ColourArte's website to go into the draw and have an opportunity to win that amazing $400 prize. In addition to that, each of the individual artist channels will be offering a channel prize, a Prizm Pour set to the value of $50. So there are 19 chances to win one of those $50 mini channel prizes by liking, subscribing to each of the channels and leaving a comment below the premiering video. So good luck to everyone with all of those competitions. Now, today I have whipped up just a quick little painting demonstration for you using my watercolor paints, shimmering watercolor paints that I have created from the Primary Elements pigment powders, and I will put a link in my video below this video to a previous video that I created that shows how I made these watercolors. The whole palette that you see in the video before you is all Primary Elements watercolors that I've created, and I'm using those in various tones to paint this lovely little blue wren. The blue wren is a photograph that I took at my local zoo when I was volunteering there. We have lots of these gorgeous little blue wrens around the zoo, and they're just adorable to watch, and I love capturing them in both film and painting. I'm literally just using these shimmering watercolors as I would any watercolor, layer upon layer in my painting to create depth and tonal values, to create a finished piece to show you. So I've started working now with all the detail of the gorgeous blue wren, so just concentrating on those pretty blues around his head. He is a male, that's why he is so blue. The females tend to be mostly brown and much duller in these little particular fairy wrens, but the males have these gorgeous bright blues and navy blue colorings in them. But I'm just using these amazing watercolor paints to block in the detail and paint him up layer upon layer to give lots of detail. And the beauty about using these watercolors that I've created from the Primary Elements is that you can use them layer upon layer, so because they are tend to be slightly translucent, so each layer builds upon the previous one, and you'll see me going back over the areas time and again to get that depth of colour, to give the painting more depth of field and more light and shade, and that amazing contrast that can be built up from layer upon layer, even in the lightest of colours, like here where I'm doing the body and it's very pale with just the tiniest bits of colour being added. Just continually working and layering to get the desired effects and the desired depth of colour. And the beauty of these homemade watercolours is the amount of shimmer and shine that comes from them when you use them. It really is amazing, and the videos just do not do the shine and the shimmer justice at all. It doesn't capture it at all. They are amazing to see in real life. So literally just putting in all the little feather details and everything in this beautiful blue wren. Putting in all the finer details of his legs and his claws. Continually going back over those layers, because the more layers you put in, the stronger the depth you can achieve with these colours. Just layer upon layer. Just working those colours to get all these details in. And paying attention now, here comes the secret word. It is make. Don't forget to note that down. Just putting in the tiny little white detail with an acrylic pen there, as I'd lost the original white from the paper, so I had to reintroduce it via acrylic pen. You can see me just with my reference photo there, my original photo. And here he is all finished up. So like I mentioned, don't forget to look for the link if you want to learn how to make your own shimmering watercolors. And thank you very much for watching. Bye for now.